This true story was shared by Shaykh Muhammad Sabra. A sister once received a call. "A woman from our family has passed away. Please come and wash the body." She agreed and asked 2 other sisters to join her, as is the custom. The one who performs the ghusl often brings helpers for support. When they arrived at the house, they uncovered the face of the deceased, and what they saw terrified them. Her entire tongue was hanging out, stretched all the way down to her chin. Not just the tip, the whole tongue. The sisters froze in fear and began remembering Allah, seeking His protection. They tried to push the tongue back in, but it would not go. One pressed, another attempted, but it only forced the tongue further out. Frightened, they carried the body to the washing area, praying for Allah's help, though she had been dead only 2 hours. When they opened her mouth, a foul stench poured out. The odor was unbearable. 2 of the sisters stepped away, unable to continue. But the 3rd kept saying, "Ya Allah, grant me patience," and carried on. She completed the ghusl, wrapped the body in the kafan, and covered the face, the tongue, and the smell. Then the family took the body for burial. The sister who had completed the washing could not forget what she had seen. For days, the image of that face, the tongue hanging out, and the unbearable smell haunted her mind. It troubled her deeply, and she longed to understand why such a thing had happened. She began asking questions about the deceased. Finally, she spoke with someone very close to her. The answer shocked her. This woman had a daily habit. She never let a single day pass without speaking badly about others. She was known for gossiping, slandering, spreading rumors, and twisting people's words. She would take what one person said, change it slightly, and pass it on to another until arguments broke out and families were divided. She even felt joy when people fought because of her words. Subhanallah, this is Ghibah, backbiting, and it is a major sin. The Prophet ﷺ said clearly, "Say what is good or remain silent." Backbiting is when you mention something about your brother or sister that they would dislike being said behind their back, even if it is true. For example, calling someone stingy, arrogant, or lazy behind their back is still ghibah, and if you speak falsely about someone's honor or character, that becomes buhtan, slander, which is even worse. Think for a moment about the weight of our words. A single phone call, a rumor repeated without care, or a joke made to hurt someone. These may seem small, but they can break hearts, tear families apart, and slowly eat away at a person's soul. The sister in this story died with her tongue exposed, a sign of her habit of backbiting. That scene became a lasting reminder for all who attended her burial. So what should we learn from this? First, guard your tongue. Before you speak, ask yourself, will this word bring benefit, healing, or truth? Or will it cause harm, expose faults, or bring shame? If it harms, remain silent. Second, remember the grave and the hereafter. Every word we speak will follow us there. Fear Allah and avoid actions that harm others and ruin your al-akhirah. Third, if gossip reaches you, do not pass it on. Stop the chain. Be the one who ends the poison, not the one who spreads it further. O believers, a true Muslim speaks what is good or chooses silence. Let this story be a wake-up call. Our tongues can lead us to reward or drag us to destruction. We ask Allah to protect our tongues, to forgive our sins, and to guide us to words that please Him. May He keep us away from ghibah and buhtan, and grant us hearts that repair instead of ruin.